Hi guys, welcome back to Imia Beauty. Today video we are going to talking about the Lame Lip Balm. Claim that the smooth and soften for the smooth and soften dry lips. So I have been using this lip balm for a while. I always having a problems myself. Always having a problem with lip balm. I have been spending money many times with a variety of the lip balm, which I couldn't find the right one that I be able to finish the tube. Sometimes when I purchase the lip balm, I use the lip balm. It make my lip peel out, the skin it peel out. But this Lame lip balm container jar that I have been using, they are very surprised me, and the lip balm is really effective in terms of the quality. The brand said from the website they're saying that the Velveteen balm with a hint of mint calms, restore and condition, transforming lips with the most tender touch, instantly helping to soften dryness with emollients treatment, nourish, restore and strengthens a natural moisture barrier to help prevent future environment damage. And I totally agree. So if you spend the amount of the money for the lip balm, they're not cheap, but somehow they're not cheap. But if you spend money for it, you won't be regret. You can take it with you anytime and anywhere you like. I did purchase this jar. I think it's very long, like around one year already, and I haven't finished the jar yet. It doesn't mean that because I didn't use them very often, but I used, maybe because I didn't use it every day, but I have been using it every now and then. And they are not, if you're scared of like using your hand with the texture, it won't, you make it, because every time when you put our finger into the jar, we always making sure that our finger are clean, or it's clean, so you won't be, and it's only one person using the jar, so I think, and it's also only one person has been using the jar. So I think it's not too bad, and it's not smell or anything. The jar is the texture is quite nice and cool because they have mint in the ingredients. They have mint flavor, and they nice and cool for your lip. And you must try, and you'll be able to have a feeling, because I don't know how to describe, but it's not a magic lip balm or anything, but it's it value money. It's one of the product that I think when you spend it for it, it's worth it. Yeah, that's all that I wanting to say for the Lame lip balm, and I hope you guys try one, and please tell me how you feel like.